you guys, so we are here at Beauty Master and we are about to go in and get this good hair, so y'all stick with your girl. So this is the brand I'm looking for right here. I'm looking for equal. So we're gonna do a half up, half down, but we don't want the ponytail. We want the full hair. But these some cute ponytails. Look at these. Look at these ponytails.
You got straight ones.
Cardi. Y'all look at this. Look at this. Outre. Y'all know I do a lot of Outre synthetic wigs. So what y'all think? Do I need to get this?
You could never go wrong.
We doing an up down, half up, half down. Do I want it straight? Do I want it wavy?
No, we're going wavy, girl.
We doing wavy? Okay, so I can't get this because we want a little bounce. So, but this is cute, y'all. Y'all see how cute this is? I can get this and be done for the night. But since she want a wavy, we're gonna step away.
It's too short.
Okay. What y'all say? See, I love this too. But she don't want me to have. She don't want me to have no straight hair. We're gonna do a little wavy, but I ain't doing this much curly. I don't want curly hair.
And
but this
one looks like it need help.
That's a 4x4 bundle special. I don't want no lace closure. I think this is the one we're gonna get. That's cute.
I want this.
They were gonna get SASHA wave for this half up, half down. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna get this one. Y'all see the wig? We are in Beauty Masters in Morrow. Y'all have got to come down here. When I don't order my wigs online, I come here. This is where I get my wigs from. Oh, this is cute. Y'all, I have this wig. I actually reviewed this wig already. This is Nisha, and I actually gave away Nisha. This wig is so pretty. I gave away Nisha online. I want to review one of these, so I'm going to review one of these for y'all. I really think I'm going to review this one. This one cute. But I'm going to do a twist out. You got a wig cap?
Yeah, that's right.
You got to have a wig. Look at that. That's real poetic justice of you. Look, I said that's real poetic justice of you.
What?
This right here. This wig. Y'all, so yes, I really think I want to view this wig.
People got lazy.
Look at it. That's cute. I love this wig right here. New arrival. This is Perfect Hairline. This wig in here is $95.99. Online, this wig is $32.
Even last one. Companyline.com.
Yep. So we will be reviewing this wig. Perfect. I think I got this wig at the house actually. Perfect Hairline.
This is what I want to try when I don't feel like braiding my hair.
This one's cute too. This one's pretty. Who is this? This perfect. I have this wig at the house. This wig is $95.99.
I'm confused now.
I have this wig at the house. I bought this one. I bought it for like $50 though. But yeah, it's cute, y'all. Y'all know me. Y'all tell me what y'all like, and we gonna.
This is illegal.
Do it.
See, I don't want to look too much.
That's cute.
I call this the white girl look.
It's so pretty though, but look at the curl in it.
Yes. That's I like things.
That's
like
pretty.
that.
All right, you guys, I'm finna let y'all go. But this is the wig she need right here. While she tripping, this is her wig.